Hey guys, so today I was craving donuts. So I went and checked the Tim Hortons app to see if they had any deals on donuts. And when I was there, I saw they had a good deal, 6 donuts for $3.49. So I headed off to Timothy Hortons to go pick some up. And while I was there, I saw they had DIY Dream Donut Kits. So I had to grab that instead. So in this kit you get 6 donuts, nothing on them. You get some graham cracker topping, some sprinkles, and some cream cheese icing. You get to make your own donuts. The price of this was $9.99. I actually thought the price was kind of steep, paying $10 to make my own donuts, but then I realized that if I make a donut, the donut's probably worth at least $3. And there's 6 of them. So that's like $18 worth of donuts I'm going to have as soon as I make them. I also got instructions how to make these donuts. But it's a DIY kit, why do you need instructions? So let's build this donut. First I'm going to go around like this. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, shh. Well, actually, we'll just put icing on the full donut. Maybe you do need instructions. Next, we'll throw some of this graham topping on. Just a little pinch of that. And now we'll throw on sprinkles. The donut looks beautiful. If you guys were to buy this donut in a store, like a fancy donut shop, I'd say you'd probably be paying $3.75. Check that out. Looks delicious. I'll try it and tell you if it is. So as you guys can see, I took a few bites and this donut's awesome. That cream cheese icing is amazing. That's got to be real cream cheese. So I still have 5 more donuts left, so I guess I'll make another one, since that one was delicious. So for this one, I cut it in half. I'm going to put some icing in the middle. Maybe some of the graham cracker topping. Yeah, let's throw some sprinkles on also. These donuts would probably also be good to buy this kit and make hamburgers with donuts. Throw this on the top. Throw some more icing on. Throw some more toppings on. Guess it's easier to use your fingers. This is going to taste like $1 million. Look at that. Perfection. Bam! Let me try it. So this donut is absolutely amazing. It's delicious. I ain't just saying that because I made it myself. Like, this kit's actually pretty good. I actually think it's a pretty good deal. I recommend you guys go out and get one. And I'd have to give this definitely a 10 out of 10. Tim Hortons finally did something right. They always do stuff wrong. Yeah, they finally did something right. Well, ice caps are actually pretty good also.